Hi everyone, this is Professor Benjamin, and this is going to be part 2 because I was cut off at the end of part 1. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the PowerPoint, which will be where I kind of ended, on the 3 steps that I would like you to complete before you begin watching the videos on how to actually manipulate the data. So I'm going to start here. Step 1, you have to download the copy of the counted in Excel format. And if you're not sure how to do that, I show you how to do that here, either in Excel or using Google Docs. So depending upon what you're using, if you're using Google Docs, I show you here. If you're using Excel, I show you here how to download the data. Step 2, really the third thing. Okay, this actually is an important slide because you need to know this is the rows, this is each entry, and there are 633 entries. You will need this information here because when we calculate the data, we're going to need the total amount. And right here, it tells us that there's 633 entries in 2016. Okay, so this means And this isn't totally accurate because remember, they're pulling data from all over on this Guardian website, but relatively somewhat accurate. There were 633 police-involved shootings in 2016. Okay, and then the columns are what those variables are. So you'll see the person's name, you can see the individual's age, gender, race, ethnicity, the month, the day, and the year of the shooting, and then it shows you the street address, and it shows you the classification gunshot. You'll be able to see more of this when you open this in Excel or in Google Docs. So step 1, download the data. Step 2, you're going to download the Teaching Excel sheet in Canvas, okay? So step 2 is Teaching Excel sheet, and this is a Word document. And in the end, we're going to fill in the data in this Word document. So this is why you have to have this downloaded. Then we're going to go and create step 3. The third thing that you're going to do is you're going to create a new sheet in Excel, in the Excel file. Whether you're using Google Docs or Excel, you're going to add a sheet, okay? And you're going to name that sheet Calculations. And I would suggest that you do this too. You write race, white, black, Hispanic, Asian, Native American, number, total, percentage. And in order to do this, you click in the box and then you type in it. Now, I do give you these instructions in the actual step-by-step video, but it may help you to have this done before you start watching the video. And then you're going to watch the videos, and I make these videos. So here you go. You're going to type in race, total. Here you go. Right there, you're going to do that. So I really suggest you have this all typed out before you get started watching the videos. And then here are the videos, and there's different videos for each thing that we're calculating, and I walk you through how to do that. Now remember, these are a lot of steps, okay? And this is not something you want to wait until Thursday night to start doing. This is something that you want to give yourself maybe multiple days or at least an hour or two well before the due date. And I would really suggest maybe you come to one of the sessions after you've looked at Ask the Teach sessions, if you've looked at all the information before the due date. And this will help you walk you through. Now these videos I have, if you've noticed, the videos are either using Excel or using Google Sheets. So you have to know what you're using, and then you're going to watch the specific video based upon what you're using. If you're using Excel or Google Sheets to complete this assignment, then you need to know that, and then you watch just that specific video that deals with your what program you're using or what software you're using or what form of the software you're using, okay? You don't need to watch both videos. You need to pick which one you're using and watch that. Again, I highly suggest you maybe go through and watch some of the videos first and then go through and watch them again as you're doing the assignment. But one of the big things is making sure you're set up before you even start the assignment with downloading the Excel file, downloading the Word document, and creating that new sheet within your Excel or Google Sheet with all of that information typed out. It will help you walk you through how to complete the assignment. Now, I know this is a lot, but it is something that we're working on this week, and we're going to work on this probably for the next several weeks in this class. So it's important that you somewhat get your hands kind of ready to go on this. And then eventually this is going to be in your final project. As always, I'm available for any questions that you have, okay? And make sure you reach out before the due date and I can help you. Have a great week.